In this video, I will show you how to download and organize footage packs from Motion Array. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from Guidewise. If your footage isn't organized, your editing will be slow. Preview before you download. You don't want to download a bunch of templates that you are not going to use. So make sure that it is something that you will use by previewing it and then downloading it by clicking in the bottom right corner. Once you have downloaded your templates, the next thing you can do is create folders in your project section. So right click and select new bin and give your folder a name. So I will label this music. So now I can add all my music into this music folder. So I have a song over here. I will simply drag it into my music folder. So now if I am working and I want to find all my music, I simply go to my project folder, tap music, click the arrow, and I will see my music over there. You can also do the same for templates, sound effects, and other tools or assets that you have. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.